Smart drone technology, the future of agriculture. Please note that while we are still relying on manual peach picking, modern drones have already begun this work in California, USA. This is something we all did not expect. They also did not anticipate this during the peach picking process. According to California farmers, this technology has effectively alleviated the urgent problem of current labor shortages on farms. Modern drone fruit picking technology began 3D simulation tests in 2020, entered practical application in 2021, achieved large-scale integration in apple orchards by 2022, and has now expanded to multiple countries in 2023. Involving the picking of various fruits such as apples, peaches, nectarines, plums, and apricots. This is the power of technology. Once it matures, it can trigger an industrial revolution. These types of drone robots possess several unique technologies. First, during the picking process, with the help of artificial intelligence, AI vision can select ripe fruits while automatically obtaining data such as the weight, size, diameter, color grade, and ripeness of each fruit. This data is entered into a digital farm database, recording the picking time, location of each peach, and information about the corresponding tree. How is the picking operation carried out? The front end of the drone is equipped with a suction cup, which first sucks up the fruit and then rotates to detach it. Subsequently, it determines where to place the peach on the collection vehicle based on the data and sorts it, greatly improving picking efficiency and solving the inaccuracies of manual picking and sorting. Drones can work around the clock without interruption because each drone is connected to the picking platform. The picking vehicle has its own battery function, enabling continuous power supply. Many people may wonder if such drone operations would be slow. In fact, with this technology, drones can operate around the clock, and their numbers can be easily increased according to demand. Regarding how farmers pay for the drone services, some might worry this could be a problem. In fact, the drone picking service is provided by specialized third-party companies. In the past, farmers hired workers for picking. Now they hire drones for the same, all paying for labor services. As long as the cost performance of drone picking is high, farmers will naturally choose drones. From this case, we can feel the rapid development of technology, which went from 3D modeling to global application in just 3 years. What are our agricultural academies, research institutes, and agricultural universities doing? Are they still busy writing papers and evaluating professional titles? Facing an aging population, the cost of labor in agriculture will gradually rise. In the next decade or even a shorter time, our agriculture must move toward intelligence because the labor force is decreasing. If we do not engage in research and development today, but rather fall behind in applying new technologies, we may be left far behind in the future. This is worth our contemplation.